The moment visitors open your website, their eyes starts scanning the very first view of the landing page of your website. Within 4 to 5 seconds, their brain takes decision whether to click, scroll down or leave. Hello friends, I'm Surya and in this tutorial I will tell you how you can change their decision of leaving your website without knowing what you offer to them. This is the landing page, or in my language, very first view of the website of a big web hosting company. And most human eyes scan this page like this. It sees here the logo with the company's name, establishing an identity of the website in our brain. Then our eyes stops at this Get Started button for monthly subscription at certain price. Notice a very interesting fact that they are offering monthly subscription at $3.75. Is this the cheapest plan? No. Web hosting is available almost for free with some terms and conditions. Then what is interesting in it, which they are not revealing here and prompting you to click this Get Started button to know more about it? If I scroll down a bit, we see there are different hosting related plans with some important details and a learn more link. The whole purpose of this type of design is to make you stay and prompt you to click any of the buy now button. And this should be the main target of the landing page of your website also. Have a look at another landing page of a famous car selling website in India. They have millions of visitors per day. At top they are unveiling two separate versions of a car model, and if you want to know the details, they want you to click this no more link. And just below that there are 4 square boxes for different types of users. Whether you want to buy a new car or a used one, or you are here to sell your car, or just you want to compare two different models, you need to click any one of the 4 boxes as per your choice. Notice that they don't even want you to scroll down. Forget about leaving the page. They are prompting you to click right now. So if you are designing a new landing page or altering the older one, use the designs and ideas discussed in this video. It will increase the engagement of the visitors and the number of clicks by them. If you have any query or suggestions, hit the comment box below. I will try to answer all of your queries. For more such videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Sell more, grow faster.